Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I'm going to give you the cheat code to keeping your tires clean and easier to clean when they get a little bit dirty, and a little trick as far as if you have black rims. So this brand right here is the Shibbity Snip Snap Source Rex. Let me just put it that way. I've been waiting patiently for them to come out with their version of a ceramic coating for tires, and this is exactly what it is. It comes with a application pad, a little applicator pad like this, kind of like a hard foam, and then the applicator foam here, which works fantastic. Note, I'll start with this. These are a vinyl. This is a spray vinyl rim. This has been on here for 5 years. And the reason it looks like gloss is because this same company has a vinyl trim coating, which is typically for stuff like this hard plastic, which is also why this hard plastic, which is, this is, how old is this? This is 09, there's a 7, this is a 09. And it looks like it's brand new. It's a little bit dirty, but the cool part is that when it gets a little bit dirty, when you have this coating on it, not even the water, it comes off almost completely. This is just a dry rag. It comes off completely. A little bit of dampness, and it's in all the little bit of water spots comes right out. But this, which is what we're talking about here, is fantastic. It's easy to put on, and to make it last, here's the trick. To make it last, after you clean it and make sure there's no, but just, you know, your regular car soap, really clean the tire rubber. You put this stuff on. I don't even spray it on the tire, so there's no overspray. Not sure if that matters. Put it on the applicator, put it around, and it's gonna get nice and black. It's kind of like a satin, not like a high gloss, but like a satin black. And then you just don't want it to be exposed to rain for at least a day, 24 hours. Just my 2 cents on that. Then when you go through a puddle, whatever, it's raining, whatever, the water literally beads right off. It just keeps these things looking black much, much longer than any kind of other tire shine. And the cool part is that it doesn't like sling off, because once you put it on, you let it dry, you let it cure, and then it keeps it clean. And when you go back to wash your car, you don't even need to scrub it. You just kind of wipe it down and it stays nice and clean. Just like the same type of silicone used on the trim coat, which I used on this vinyl for these rims, which is what I was talking about earlier for here. Now this product used on the tires. Hopefully that helps. I will talk to you soon.